Is your life insurance right for you? Today I'm going to be breaking down three of the most common mistakes or problems that I see with people making in their life insurance. My name is Jake Williams and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance and the role that it can play in a financial plan that is built around you and your goals, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified immediately anytime I upload a video and you never miss one. So, like I said, today are the three biggest mistakes that I see people make in their life insurance coverage. And the first one, I know it's going to sound salesy, but I'm really serious about this, is people not having enough coverage. I can't tell you the number of people that I've sat down to talk to that when I ask them, okay, what kind of life insurance coverage do you have and what do you want it to do? They think, well, okay, maybe pay off the house and then really that's all I need. Really? That's all you're going to cover is your house. You don't have any other expenses that your family would need to take care of after you're gone. What about kids' college? What about daycare for younger children? That's expensive. What about just keeping up your normal life, your normal day-to-day life without your income? Are they going to be able to do that based on the little bit of life insurance that you got that just covers paying off the house? Probably not, and that's something you got to think about. Term life insurance is not that expensive. So if you're looking to make sure that your family can continue to live their lives if something were to happen to you, make sure you've got enough. Please, please, please make sure you've got enough life insurance coverage. The second mistake that I see a lot is beneficiary mistakes. And a lot of times what I'll see is someone will just have their spouse as the primary beneficiary and they get 100%. They get all of it and then they can take care of anything else they want to do. But then we sit down and we start talking. Well, do you want any money to go to your kids, your grandkids? Well, yeah, I'd like them to get something out of it. Then why are you shifting all of that over to your spouse for them to take care of after you're gone? Instead, you could list them as beneficiaries to receive a percentage of your death benefit and make it so much simpler for everybody in what's already going to be a stressful time. Or if you want money to go to a charity, you can build that into your policy. Name them as a partial beneficiary, and then everything gets so much smoother instead of putting it all on whoever receives 100% of your payment to then they have to decide what you would have wanted and handle things accordingly and all the tax burdens that may come with that. You take care of it now when you're building the policy, smooths everything out. And the third type of mistake that I see so often and so frequently is the wrong type of coverage or the wrong type of life insurance in general. Term insurance is great if you're looking for just the maximum death benefit for your dollar. So if you just want the biggest payout possible to your beneficiary or beneficiaries, that's going to be a term life insurance policy. But if you're looking to do a little bit more, then maybe you want to look at a whole life policy, or you want to make sure that no matter what, your family is covered. Look at that whole life policy because a term policy, you can outlive the policy. And conversely, I see some people that have a whole life policy that they're putting a lot of money into to try and generate the cash value that would grow along with that when they've got other debts that need taken care of, or they have expenses that would need to be covered that aren't covered by the death benefit of their whole life insurance policy, where maybe that money would have been better served buying a larger term policy to cover those and then using the excess funds to pay off debt. If you've got questions on any of those, do I have enough coverage? Do I have the right beneficiary set up? And do I have the right kind of coverage? Drop me a comment down below. I might be able to turn that into a video, or maybe I'd need to reach out to you one-on-one and see what we can get set up. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know I'm doing a good job. Lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And it just keeps this engine rolling. But lastly and most importantly, if you want to sit down face to face and answer those questions, do you have enough coverage? Do you have the right beneficiaries? And do you have the right type of coverage? There's a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. Go check it out. There's a masterclass there where I give you some information for free. No cost, don't need to pay anything. Just check it out. Maybe that'll help you. After that masterclass, you're invited though to find a time where you and I can sit down face to face and we can answer those questions. We can answer and make sure you've got enough coverage for what you need. You've got the right beneficiaries named and you've got the right type of life insurance coverage. In the meantime, though, please make sure you're taking care of your now, your future, and beyond. Thanks for watching.